In this video, we're going to talk about how to reposition the worksheets in a workbook. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So we go over to our Excel spreadsheet, and I'm using the 08 Spa Services worksheet still from our other videos. If we go down to the bottom, if you notice we have a lookup tab or lookup worksheet here, which is the second tab. I want to move this over to the right. So I'm going to click on it, and I have two ways I can do this. I can just click and hold, and I can just move it, which is the easiest if you only have a few worksheets. But if you have a lot of worksheets and they're kind of piled in and you kind of have to scroll to get to them, we're going to do it a different way. So I'm going to put it back where it was. The other way, select the lookup tab or whatever tab you have, go up to the Home tab, go to the Format button in the Sales group, and we're going to click on Move or Copy Sheet. We're going to leave the workbook to move it to the same one it's in. We're going to move it to the end, but we're not going to create a copy this time. In a prior video, we created a copy. This time we're going to leave that blank because we just want to move it. We don't want to make a copy of it. So click OK. And now if you notice, it has shifted to the end of our tabs. And that's all there is to repositioning a tab in or a worksheet in your workbook.